boys are off again. Now that summer holidays are over, the troopship Lancashire sails from Southampton, taking Britain's guardians of the peace to the trouble spots of the earth.
The secrecy surrounding D-Day has hidden the role of Southampton as the springboard for Operation Overlord in World War II. The history of Southampton transporting the British Army goes back at least to the 19th century, when the last of the government troop ships, the Malabar, was discarded before the 1896 season, and the commercial companies entrusted with the role. During World War I, it is said that a troop train arrived at Southampton's terminus station every 12 minutes when it was recognised as the principal port of embarkation for the British Army, and was finally renamed Southampton Terminus on the 9th of July 1923. In the Imperial War Museum film, we can see troops of the British Expeditionary Force arriving at the terminus station attached to Southwestern Hotel in September 1939 during the 8-month period known as the Phoney War. The British Expeditionary Force are seen in high spirits as they form up in Southampton's eastern docks at the junction of Central Road before marching along Brazil Road behind today's Oceanography Centre to the Empress Dock to embark for France. Of course, these are the same troops that, if they were lucky, would return in small boats at the time of Dunkirk. However, the situation was transformed when war was declared on the United States. They ignored British advice about the vulnerability of the port and set up their headquarters in a wing of the Civic Centre. Southwestern Hotel became HMS Shrapnel and the headquarters of Combined Operations Military Movement Control during D-Day and Operation Overlord, when the success of Operation Neptune depended on the continual shuttle of landing craft sailing in unnumbered convoys, some from the same berth seen in the film used by the BEF in 1940. In all, 24 convoys sailed before or on D-Day for the main assault, with the immediate follow-up to arrive by D-Day +3, and a daily schedule of 8 convoys per day was planned, with 38 escort groups each made up of destroyers, frigates, corvettes and trawlers to protect these movements.